What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at this second floor addition job plus first floor remodel and partial basement remodel. I don't really know what we're calling this job, but obviously there's been quite a bit of progress here since the last time I was here. I've been busy on other jobs and doing some other stuff. I haven't been here in quite some time. I have been in and out, but not enough to really make a video. But the main change you'll notice is the windows and doors are in, except for that big window up top and the front door right here. Also, we are working on the front porch, plus there's a roof which they're starting to frame in right now. All of the ceiling beams are going on, but these windows are in all around the house here. We'll walk around, we'll do a lap around the outside real quick. These are very nice windows, all black. We get through the gate, we'll get out in the backyard. I just saw a snake here, so hopefully he's hiding somewhere. But this door is not in either. As you can see, all the windows on the back of the house are in, except I don't know what's happening with that one. I'll have to look at the plans and see, because the kitchen is not getting touched. You'll notice all the plastic is down because we had to work, but I don't think that might be getting changed at some point. I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, back outside, all these windows are in, and this roof detail looks super nice, even on the front of the house. It is pretty unique, especially in this neighborhood. There's not really any houses that look like it. But coming around the side here, we got small window up there, window in this room back here, and that's it for this. Let's head into the basement real quick and I'll show you what's going on in here. So Javier was just down here working on the new stairwell opening up to the main floor here. So that's where the staircase is going to be. It used to be right around this corner here. Used to go up right here. Obviously, there's no more stairwell, and the floor is plywooded. So you're not going up here anymore. They have a new closet, I guess. But this will be the new stairwell here. Both of them stacked on top of each other all the way up to the second floor. But actually, you know what? I'll just climb up right here. Door in there, windows here, and now we're back in the kitchen. This is where the stairwell used to be, down to the basement, which obviously is no more. But kitchen here, all these rooms are pretty much complete. Still have to get this front door in. Another thing you'll notice, this corner is completely framed in now, and the bump out, or you can see where it's plywooded. The walls here are gone. I don't think they were gone in the last video when I was here, but it looks very nice like that. So nothing else really has changed here. Just got doors, windows in, some framing getting touched up. Let's go up to the second floor real quick. Sorry. Now you can see up here we got some of the AC stuff in. Big piece up there ready to be put together. It has been super hot here in New York. It is about 85 today, and this whole week has been in the 80s. It is May 21st, so it's pretty hot for May, but they're saying next week it's going to cool down. This room here, we got all the windows in here. See how it's white on the inside for the second floor. All the windows are black on the outside, and then the first floor, the windows are all just pine. And you'll see this one is white, everything over there is white, but then when you get into the master bath, they went with black on the inside, which personally I like the black more, but that is a preference. See, they got the black in this room too. This is just a toilet closet here, so walk in here and you'll have private toilet. I don't know if in the areas that you guys live in they're doing that, but that is becoming a very common thing here in New York. So keeping the toilet out of the main part of the bathroom. No windows in here. This is a big walk-in closet. This is also a closet, but it did get a window, big window in the back. Master bedroom. This window is, I'll actually walk down there. You can see it under the deck there, leaning up against the wall. That is gonna be the last window to go in. We're waiting to get the roof here on the porch framed in, and we're going to use our SkyTrack, which is out there, lift it up onto here and carry it over. This is a massive window, so there's really no easy way to get it in here, especially being that the driveway is only over there and this is a big hill up to the front yard, so you really don't have access to get up here except for getting it on the roof and carrying it over. So that'll be the last thing that we do here. Look at this. Birds must have gotten in here. Wow, that's crazy. Taking advantage. I wonder if there's any eggs in there. Doesn't look like it, but that happens on construction sites, especially when there's windows that aren't in yet. But at least I have a safe place to live for now until we throw them out. But I think we pretty much went over everything. Now you can see the stairwell all the way down to the basement there. This house is coming along super nice. We are making very good progress here. We've had a few guys here while a couple of us have been over at that other new addition that we started with the foundation and the footings and stuff like that, which we will be back at tomorrow. I believe me and Rodrigo are going there tomorrow. We are gonna meet the plumbers there. He's laying all the plumbing in. Me and my father and my uncle went there yesterday and kind of laid out the rooms and figured out how the bathroom was going to work. They wanted to add a tub into their bathroom, which wasn't originally on the plans, and it made it super tight, but we kind of figured it out to make it work. So we're going there tomorrow. We're gonna cut open the wall into the back of the house where the staircase is going down into the garage, and we're drilling for the sewer line. So we have quite a bit of work there tomorrow, plus all the plumbing is getting done. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.